In the world of electrical systems, having strong and reliable protection is important. Here, we're excited to introduce our NZS 2053 standard PVC rigid conduit, a tough solution designed to meet the requirements of Australian and New Zealand markets and keep the electrical wiring safe and sound. Our PVC rigid conduit is built to withstand the elements. It's resistant to UV rays, so it won't crack or fade in the sun, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. But that's not all. Our conduit can also against physical damage. It can handle knocks and bumps without breaking, ensuring your wiring stays intact and your power stays on. Safety is our priority. Our PVC conduit is flame resistant, meeting the V0 flame standards. You can trust it to safeguard your home or business from potential fire risks. And let's talk about durability. Our conduit have corrosion resistance. Whether it's moisture or chemicals, our conduit stays strong, protecting your wiring for years to come. Additionally, we offer a variety of sizes and configurations, so you can find the perfect fit for your project. Easy customizations means easier installation and better performance. Trust Ctube, our PVC rigid conduit is reliable, durable, and safe choice for all your electrical needs. Visit our website or get in touch with us to learn more.